Hey guys, Taylor with GammaEdge here, coming at you with a quick market status for Monday, April 3rd. Here's our general disclaimer. Give this a read when you're done so. Let's move on. Here, looking at the TQS model, first thing to note is, since Wednesday where we saw the reversal, had a nice trending move higher via the cumulative tick, railroad tracks higher via the short-term moving average ribbon. Only downside is longer-term moving average ribbon is still fully inverted, trending lower. However, we are starting to interact with this longer-term moving average ribbon with the cumulative tick, so we just want to see a progression higher. Filter tick was supportive of the action on Friday, nice stair-step higher move, and new highs actually did outpace new lows on Friday, so a bit of a character change for what we've been seeing the last couple of weeks, which is new lows outpacing new highs. So all in all, constructive here in the short term. Looking at the tick ARCX model, same thing I just talked about US model, but a bit more of a pronounced move. Had a linear update Thursday, linear update Friday. Railroad tracks higher. We are actually above the longer term moving average ribbon, so that is constructive on this model. So really cumulative tick, we just want to see this hold above the cyan longer term moving average ribbon and continue to progress higher. Now looking at the indexes, this is using our 10 a.m. gamma script from Friday. Thing I want to note here is on did get a gap up off the open, so not really much of a chance to interact with our COTMP level. What we've been seeing the last couple of weeks is when we've had kind of an uptrending cumulative tick, COTMP has been acting as a good supportive floor. Makes sense given the levels and what it means. So that's just a potential trade setup for y'all to be cognizant of going into the future. However, just hitting on Friday's action, just a trending day higher. Frankly, there wasn't a ton for myself to do. At least I didn't do anything just because of the move that we had, gap up. So yeah, however, going to the liquidity stocks themselves, looking at Apple, Tesla, Microsoft, and Nvidia. Tesla, I mean, if your system told you it's going to be a trending day higher, could have taken a move off P-Trans. Microsoft, we actually did get a bounce off COTMP. Nvidia, not a ton to say there, and Apple, again, just trending day higher. So essentially, if your system somehow allows you to get in on a trending move higher, plus Gex, right where we settled, would have been a great target. So now moving forward here, I just have the indexes here on hourly charts, just kind of showing structure of the market before we layer in gamma levels themselves. So now looking at gamma levels, what sticks out to me is structure has shifted higher. What does that mean? So we have 0 Gex and P-Trans below us, and we have plus Gex shifting higher. This is kind of a standard structure that we do want to see, sitting right at COTMP as of 5 p.m. on Friday. So we want to see how those levels have updated, if they do update with our first run on Monday morning. So yeah, those are just the key levels that I am working with heading into Monday. So kind of overlaying the structure that we talked about here with the gamma levels that we have highlighted here. They actually do work out very well. I'm just looking at SPY itself. We're right at COTMP. Then we have 0 gamma P-Trans above and plus Gex above. So that's kind of what I'm working with. Then look at liquidity stocks themselves again. First, just starting with structure. You can see a lot of them. We've had a nice breakout from the structure. So really, what I'm looking for is some kind of just a natural retest within kind of a bullish structure that we've been forming, and then progression higher. And then what does that look like? Just looking at the gamma structure again itself. Really, we're above COTMP with plus Gex above us on Tesla. Same structure on Apple. Same structure on Microsoft, and same structure on Nvidia. And Nvidia looks good because we're right at 0 Gex, COTMP, and P-Trans. So at 275, that's the key level. We get some kind of hold here, then progress higher towards plus Gex. So hopefully that's kind of helpful about how I look at things. Hit on the market structure, gamma levels, how we traded Friday, what stuff's looking like on Monday. Again, please make sure you're checking out the PBI dashboards as well that we post in those channels. Paul's commentary on SPX specifically. So with that, best of luck Monday. Talk to y'all tonight on open mic, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And yeah, until next time, bye.